Hello and welcome. You're watching NewsX and I'm Shivani Singh. We are tracking some very unfortunate news that is coming in from Maharashtra. A tragic hit-and-run case has emerged from Maharashtra's Thane district, raising serious concerns over road safety and juvenile driving. In a shocking incident reported from Kalyan, a local businessman, Srinivas Tandale, lost his life after being hit by a speeding car while he was cycling. The impact of the collision was so severe that Tandale was thrown into the air and he died on the spot. What makes this case even more disturbing is that the car was allegedly being driven by a minor at the time of the incident. CCTV footage of the crash shows the vehicle suddenly veering towards Tandale on what appears to be a relatively empty stretch of road. Within seconds, the car strikes him with full force, leaving no chance of survival. According to police officials, the accused, believed to be underage, has been identified and further investigation is currently underway. The incident has once again sparked outrage over minors behind the wheel and the lack of accountability in such cases. Questions are being raised about enforcement, parental responsibility and whether existing laws are strong enough to prevent such tragedies. As the investigation continues, the victim's family is now demanding strict action and justice for Srinivas Tandale. Let me in fact go across to our colleague Shweta Verma, who's joining us live on the broadcast for more on this. Shweta, very unfortunate incident, but it's also raising a lot of concerns because Shweta, this is another allegedly minor who was driving at full speed over there.
Well, absolutely, Shivani. In fact, this is an unfortunate piece of news emerging from Maharashtra's Kalyan area, where we are given to understand that yet another shocker, that is hit-and-run case. And not only this, it comes with a huge caution. A minor was driving the vehicle and unfortunately the vehicle rammed into a cyclist and he died on the spot. In fact, as the CCTV visuals which we are showing to our viewers, that speaks a lot about what unfortunate incident actually took place today in Kalyan, that the cyclist was thrown up in the air and he sustained severe injuries and subsequently he died there, and the victim is identified as a 44-year-old businessman hailing from Kalyan itself, and his name is said to be Srinivas Tandale. The family is in severe grief. Apart from this, as we have spoken, that how this case is even more shocking because a minor was driving the vehicle. Remember Pune Porsche case or the Worli hit-and-run case. These are some of the significant minor cases, minor driving the vehicle cases, and people have really not forgotten about it. And now this case from Kalyan has made their memories refresh. Apart from this, the investigation part, if we speak, Shivani, police stated that the minor has been booked under the relevant section of Juvenile Act. Moreover, an important step that the police at Kharakpada police station did was they also have registered an FIR against the minor's mother.
Right.
She's been identified as Ms. Pandey, and now it's been stated that the police is spanning their investigation and they want to understand that whether this was the first time or the boy was habituated to drive in the nearby areas. Now, another part is that residents have been complaining this, that the area which is shown in the CCTV footage is a ring road area, already a very traffic driven area, and there he was driving on a high speed. In full speed, he had hit the cyclist bicycle, we can say, and subsequently the victim died. More questions arises here that how many times was this minor before this was driving the vehicle, were the parents not aware? As the latest information what we are getting from Kalyan is that the mother is currently being taken for treatment as her health deteriorated. Now after that she will be put up for questioning. But yes, meanwhile we also see that yet another case from Maharashtra where
Right, Shweta, in fact I'll come back to you. We have some more information coming our way in breaking news coming in connection with the hit and run case in Kalyan. The Khadakpara police have detained the minor boy who is said to be produced before the juvenile court. So Shweta, like you were pointing out, an FIR has been registered. We are looking at the police also detaining the minor who will be produced before a juvenile justice board. But like you have been pointing out, this all goes down to the lack of accountability in such cases as well.
Well, that's right, Shivani. In fact, yes, as per the latest development that has taken place in this particular hit and run case, we are given to understand that the minor was produced before the juvenile court. But when we speak about the accountability, yes, that is something which even the authorities, I believe that they do not act before something takes place, and this is high time where we are seeing that when it comes to a group of cyclists or pedestrian, they face these kind of issues. In fact, threat to life when they are on the pavements or on the cycle. And this reckless driving is another cause. But when we understand about how it's been driven by minor, it takes even more gravity. And now we are also understanding that the minor was produced before the court. Meanwhile, the mother is being treated, and later on she will be taken up for the questioning by the Khadakpara.
You spoke about cyclists and their safety. We have some information on that front. Following the tragic death of businessman Srinivas Tandal in a road accident, a group of cyclists from Kalyan visited the exact spot of the incident today to pay their heartfelt tributes. The cyclists gathered at the accident site, observed a moment of silence and offered floral tributes in memory of the deceased. This emotional gesture reflects the respect and solidarity being shown by the cycling community towards Srinivas, who was reportedly an avid cycling enthusiast himself. So, Shweta, this is another piece of information that is coming in, that this group of cyclists also went to the spot. They, held a moment of silence. They paid their respects to Srinivas, who was a cycling enthusiast himself. And obviously, a lot of questions also around the safety of cyclists.
Right, Shivani, that's right. In fact, in the visuals we can see that a group of cyclists hailing from Kalyan area only, they visited the spot. They paid their last respect to one of their cyclist member, Mr. Srinivas Tandle. And again, this is the time where we report how life-threatening it is for cyclists and for fitness enthusiasts. It's not just people, those who are on the pavements, pedestrian, but also cyclists. They, day-to-day basis, they face such kind of issues where reckless driving is harming them, making them injured, and at the extent case where someone loses their life. And here in the visuals also we are seeing that the entire cyclist group, they reached to the spot and they paid their last respect. Unfortunately, the civic authorities and the police should have acted before and should have been held accountable. But once the life is lost, everything starts to be on the track. But here we have seen that how a businessman, a fitness enthusiast, a cyclist lost his life in hit and run case when the vehicle was driven by a minor in Kalyan.
Right, Shweta, please do stay on with us. We have some more information coming in. A case has been registered against the mother of the minor accused in this sensational murder case. She has also been admitted to a hospital after her health reportedly deteriorated. According to police, she will be arrested once she is medically fit and receives necessary treatment. So, Shweta, like you have already introduced to our viewers that in this FIR, the mother of the accused has also been named. However, she has now complained of ill health. She is getting treated, and the police are now saying that they will arrest her after she is fully well.
That's right. As per the information that we are picking up from Kalyan, states that in this minor driving the vehicle and hit and run case, as the police also made the mother as an accused in this entire offense, she was taken to the nearby hospital as she complained of ill health. Now she is undergoing treatment. Once the treatment is done, the police stated that she will be taken for questioning and the investigation will be panning out. But as of now, the mother of the accused, who is also being termed as co-accused in this particular case, is being treated, and post her treatment, the investigation would be panning further and her arrest will be made. Back to you.
All right. In fact, Shweta, when we are looking at this entire incident and you know, the mentioning of the mother in the FIR, obviously this also talks about and raises concerns about parental responsibility in such cases, because a minor is the main accused.
Well, that is right. In fact, this is the responsibility what parents should have taken before, and because this was not there, the lack of knowledge about what the minor is doing has resulted in taking somebody's life. And here what we are given to understand that primarily the information what we have fetched states that the minor took the keys without informing parents at home, and he was driving the vehicle in and around area of Ring Road, again a very important area which is like always in the traffic field and significant part, I can say, of Kalyan. And that was the bigger mistake, I can say, where you are driving in a place which is full of people, full of vehicles, and one should be aware that first the minor should have kept this in mind, that where is he actually taking his car out. With keeping all these points into mind, Kharakpada police station has made the mother identified as Miss Pandey also co-accused in the case. However, she is undergoing a treatment as of now. Once the treatment is over and she is feeling better, she would be taken into custody and the investigation would be done. The interrogation would be, of course, talking about when and at what time did the minor take the keys, and was she aware, and has he done this before. So many questions will be put out to the lady, but as of now, as she is being treated, police said that the case would be panning out, and they will be also seeking
All right.
concrete
Thank you
answers
so much, Shweta, for joining us on the broadcast.